1 minute remaining. Yep, another one of these vans in. Block DPF. Clean's almost done, so I'll be able to turn the ignition off and clear these codes. Yeah, this is coming with a block DPF, so loss of power and all the usual problems they got. I'll come out of here and go back into that. Let's get out. It's got some other issues, but it's a workshop I'm doing this for, so they've already done them. So once I delete them, I shall go. But there's a diesel particular one. That's the main one that's causing this light to come on. So basically, run it for 90 minutes. Throughout that 90 minutes, it's quite high revs over there. Extremely smelly coming out of the exhaust there throughout the whole clean. So yeah, this feels so much better on the throttle. Super responsive now. So I know this is going to drive me completely advanced. So hopefully we get rid of the rest of them codes: glow plug, heater, circuit, and all that. But the diesel particular one is the main one. Sometimes sets all these off, but yeah, so I believe that is the end of the clean. So I'm going to delete them codes, take it for a little blast down the road.